Hello guys. Welcome back again. This week, I burned my 4 accounts. And also covered all of my losses from the trade. That I'll show you right now. Also my Telegram ideas failed because I wasn't constant enough, and I missed many valid opportunities that I didn't get the chance to take for certain difficulties that I'm currently having. So, on the daily chart, you can see a hammer candle created when the price respected the demand zone and reacted as a result. Now, after touching the demand zone, price retraced and dropped down to the lower low, but it did not break the low. It went up again and broke the lower high, creating a change of character. So, because I missed to record this video, now I'll turn on my trade history feature in the settings and show you where I entered this trade. Guys, I entered this trade after the fundamental news was released, which is the interest rate news, and the impact of this news has been projected to be slightly bigger than all other news, because traders have been waiting for the results that happened from the news since December of last year. There is an opportunity of a major shift. So, after the news release, this demand zone was created. I took my first entry from here, when the price jumped higher, and then a slight retracement. And the second entry, after reaching the demand zone. And the third entry, from this demand zone. I kept holding these entries, till I reached my supply area. Now you can clearly see that the price has quickly moved towards the supply area. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. After that, the price reached our target area, and I closed all of my open orders and booked my profits. Thanks for watching guys. Happy trading.